I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're dealing with a transfer pending issue on Bitstamp, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Bitstamp account and navigate to the transaction section. Here you can see the status of your transfer and any related details. Step 2. Verify payment method. Ensure that the payment method you use for the transfer is still valid and properly linked to your account. Sometimes, expired cards or outdated bank details can cause delays. Step 3. Review transfer limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the extra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Confirm network status. If you are transferring cryptocurrencies, check the network status of the coin you are sending. High congestion can lead to delays in processing. Step 5. Contact support. If the transfer is still pending after checking everything, reach out to Bitstamp's customer support for help. Provide them with your transaction ID for quicker assistance. I hope this guide helps you resolve your pending transfer issue. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.